Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Title बच्चों class 8th subject science तो सोनज़िक topic gametes मे क्या कोर यह topic choose मे कर अवमख choose तिकाज ये कथ करो sexual reproductions तथ मज गि gametes बार बार repeat तवे वो मे बेहतर कि तुम वन बह gametes क्या गई क्या गई अस कथ वनो gametes प्लस यह लफ्ज यो तुम ब्रोह कुन फिर तुम ब्रोह पर्यु पे लाइफ साइंस तथ मज यो तुम लफ्ज बार बार तुम यू विल एनकाउंटर दिस वर्ड टाइम एंड अगेन in biosciences. That's why I deemed it wise to talk about this technical term gamete. These gametes are also called as sex cells. They're also called as sex cells. You can use the word sex cells or gametes. They are one and the same. Okay, but we preferably use the term gametes. Okay. Actually, what are these gametes? Gametes are those cells or those sex cells which are involved in the sexual reproduction. Tam cell yun dakhla khat maz sexual reproduction maz ya those the cells which involve in sexual reproduction, they are called as gametes. They are called as gametes. And as far as these gametes are concerned, there are two types of gametes. A male gametes, be female gametes. Any male sex cell, female sex cell. Tamam animal using male sex cell या male gametes, much as one sperm. Actually, the term is spermatozoa. Spermatozoa means the male sex, sex cell, right? Spermatozoa means male sex cell. But we use the short term sperm. Okay, therefore sperm. What are sperms? Sperms are small cells. They are, we cannot see them we cannot see them with the naked eye because they are microscopic. They can be seen only under microscope. Their size, as far as their length, they are 0.05 millimeter long, long, very small. That's why they are microscopic. And when you look at the structure of the sperm, you can see there is a head. Here you see the head. Then there is a tail piece. Here you see the tail piece, and there is tail. Then there is this tail. Got it? So a sperm cell is a complete cell because it has almost all the usual components of the cell. It has nucleus, it has cell membrane, it has cytoplasm. Okay, so these are all the components of cell. So we can say that sperm itself is a cell. Although very small, it's microscopic, but it's a cell. Now, if you see the sperm, you will see the nucleus. Here it is nucleus. Nucleus is packed in the head of the sperm. And as far as the movement of sperms are concerned, how do these sperms move? They move with the help of this tail. This tail, it keeps on waving, side to side. Or your side to side, this way and that way. So it helps in the movement of the sperm. If you are asked what is the function of tail in sperm, your answer should be that this tail helps us in the movement of sperms because it waves side to side and it helps the sperm to move. Okay. Then we have another cell. This cell is called as egg, or it's called as ovum. O-V-U-M, ovum. Please remember, this ovum is a singular form of ova. Ova is plural. This is called egg, or this is called ovum. This is one and the same thing. Now this is also very small. This egg is also a very small cell. It's also microscopic. But when we compare this egg with the sperm, these eggs are much larger than sperms. Got it? When it comes to the human egg, the shape is round. It is 0.15 millimeter in diameter. Okay. And if you look at the structure of the egg, here I will draw a rough structure. Okay. You have this, then you have this layer. This is the nucleus. This is the very important part, nucleus. Then you have here, this is cytoplasm. jelly like substance. Then you have this inner coat. This is called as jelly coat, jelly, jelly coat coat. I will tell you jelly coat later what it is. Okay, so this is the egg or om is all. This is round in shape, and as far as its diameter is concerned, it is 0.15 millimeter in diameter. Okay, now see, you see here the cell membrane. This is cell membrane. This is cell membrane. Okay, and outside the cell membrane you have a jelly coat. This outer, this is called as jelly coat. No, this is called as jelly coat. That means cell membrane, see this, but outside the cell membrane, this is cell membrane. This is cell membrane. This outer coat, this is jelly coat. This jelly coat is a thin layer, and the function of the jelly coat is that it allows only one sperm. It allows only one sperm to enter into the ovum. यह छ दिवान अकिस यह सिर्फ कर allow excess sperms, because sperms they come in thousands, they come in lakhs, but only one sperm makes it to the egg. This jelly coat, which is present outside the cell membrane, it allows only one sperm to enter into the egg. Okay, and when it enters the egg, the sperm and this they fuse. That means the nuclei of the sperm, and the nuclei of the egg. You know, they carry they have chromosomes, and these chromosomes carry genes. Okay, so these two nuclei then fuse together, and they form a cell. That cell is called as zygote. Zygote is a single cell. Let me remind you, it's a single cell, and it contains only one nucleus, although two nuclei fuse, but it contains only one nucleus. And the process of fusion of these gametes, it is called as fertilization. When two gametes, that is male gamete and female gamete, combine or fuse, the process is called as fertilization.